Hello, dear viewers and learners. Assalamu alaikum. How are you doing? Well, hope you are doing best. Welcome to a daily conversation class. Today we learn how we can give and get personal information to others and how to become specific. Today we are going to learn conversations on two situations. So, dear viewers and learners, after watching this video, if you might have liked this tutorial, please subscribe my channel and share it to your friends and families. I've also tutorial on spoken English, basic English grammar, and vocabulary. So to learn good English and to learn spoken English, I'm going to prepare a lot of tutorials from my channel. So let's go to today's tutorial. Today we learn how we should give and get personal information. আমরা কিভাবে ব্যক্তিগত তথ্য দেব এবং নেব। How we should give and get personal information in situation 2 and how we should become specific. আমরা কিভাবে সুনির্দিষ্ট হব। Now you will look into how we should give and get personal information. আমরা কিভাবে ব্যক্তিগত তথ্য দেব এবং নেব। So you can ask the questions in this way. Where are you from? আপনি কোন দেশের অধিবাসী? So you can ask question in this way. Where are you from? আপনি কোন দেশের অধিবাসী? I'm from Bangladesh. Where are you from? I'm from Bangladesh. Then where is Bangladesh? Bangladesh কোথায়? Bangladesh is a South Asian country. India is its neighboring country. বাংলাদেশ দক্ষিণ এশিয়ার একটি দেশ, ভারত তার প্রতিবেশী দেশ। Where is Bangladesh? Bangladesh is a South Asian country. India is its neighboring country. Where were you born? আপনি কোথায় জন্মগ্রহণ করেছেন? I was born in Dhaka. আমি ঢাকায় জন্মগ্রহণ করেছি। Where were you born? I was born in Dhaka. Where were you born in Dhaka? আপনি ঢাকায় কোথায় জন্মগ্রহণ করেছেন? I was born at Dhanmondi in Dhaka. আমি ঢাকার ধানমন্ডিতে জন্মগ্রহণ করেছি। Where were you born in Dhaka? I was born at Dhanmondi in Dhaka. Were you born in Dhaka or Rajshahi? Yes, I was born in Dhaka. হ্যাঁ, আমি ঢাকায় জন্মগ্রহণ করেছি। Were you born in Dhaka or Rajshahi? আপনি কি ঢাকায় অথবা রাজশাহী জন্মগ্রহণ করেছেন? Yes, I was born in Dhaka. Were you born in Dhaka? Yes, I was born in Dhaka. Or you can say, no, I was born in Kumilla. না, আমি কুমিল্লায় জন্মগ্রহণ করেছি। No, I was born in Kumilla. Then how you should give and get personal information in situation 2. We want to know more about the person to whom we are talking to. You can ask, did you go to school here? Yes, I went to high school here, but I went to college in Dhaka. আপনি কি সেখানে স্কুলে গিয়েছিলেন? হ্যাঁ, আমি সেখানে হাই স্কুল পড়েছি, কিন্তু আমি কলেজ পড়ার জন্য ঢাকায় গিয়েছিলাম। Or you can say, no, I went to school in Rajshahi. না, আমি রাজশাহীতে স্কুলে পড়েছি। Did you go to school here? If the answer is yes, then you can say, yes, I went to high school here, but I went to college in Dhaka. If the answer is no, no, I went to school in Rajshahi. Did you get a job right after college? কলেজের পরপরই কি আপনি জবে ঢুকেছিলেন? No, I went to Australia for higher education. If the answer is yes, then yes, I started a job right away. Did you get a job right after college? No, I went to Australia for higher education. Yes, I started a job right away. হ্যাঁ, আমি পরপরই চাকরি শুরু করেছিলাম। Then you can ask, why did you go to Australia for higher study? What subject did you study there? উচ্চতর ডিগ্রির জন্য কেন আপনি অস্ট্রেলিয়ায় গিয়েছিলেন? আপনি সেখানে কি অধ্যয়ন করেছিলেন? Why did you go to Australia for higher study? What subject did you study there? Then you can answer, Australia usually offers peer permanent residency to the foreigners after higher study. I studied nursing over there. সাধারণত উচ্চতর ডিগ্রি নেওয়ার পর অস্ট্রেলিয়া পার্মানেন্ট রেসিডেন্সি দেয় বা পিআর দেয়, সেজন্য আমি সেখানে হায়ার স্টাডি করতে গিয়েছিলাম। আমি নার্সিংয়ে পড়াশোনা করেছিলাম। Then how we should become specific? আমরা কিভাবে সুনির্দিষ্ট হব? You can answer, you can say straight away, I traveled in Europe for a while. Did you? And then when was that? Oh, that was about 5 years ago. That was in 1985 when I was 21. That was right after college. That was about 5 years ago. That was in 1985 when I was 21. That was right after college. So now we will make a dialogue with the situations that we have learned already. So Sadman and Jamie, they're talking each other. So they're trying to get and give personal information about themselves. So have a look on them. So Sadman is asking, so Jamie, where are you from? I'm from Bangladesh. From Bangladesh? Where are you born? Dhaka. When did you come to Sydney? Oh, we moved here when I was 14. Did you go to school here? Well, I went to school here, but I went to college in Melbourne. Did you get a job right after graduation? No, I traveled for a while in Europe after college and then lived in Germany. When was that? Let's see, that was 5 years ago. So you can make more conversations about these situations. You can ask more questions about Sadman, and Sadman can ask more information, can get and can give more information to Jamie. So in this way, you can prolong the conversations, prolong the dialogues. So, dear viewers and learners, that's the end of today's conversation. Hopefully, you have enjoyed it. If you might have enjoyed it, please subscribe the channel and share it to your friends and families. So, wait until the next tutorial. I wish you sound and good health. Bye bye. Khuda Hafiz.